taking my invitation without too much hesitation, saying you will show up for the team. And I have a few directions which I hope will prevent defections. But first I'll share a picture that I see. It'll be sweet and not easy. Sweet and not easy. Let's see what we'll do together when our minds are working better, because we know we're not out here alone. We know trouble's bound to find us, but isolation is behind us. We'll hold hands and jump into the unknown, and it'll be sweet and not easy. Sweet and not easy. We are the ones to shrink away. We can work while we sing. On our way we will bring everyone, never settle for less than everything. Sweet and not easy. Sweet and not easy. Isn't it sweet?